Everyone calmly continues their work under the sunlight. The Black Knight arrives to carry out a military operation. The Black Knight approaches the massive carrier and is watching from afar. The landing area is being cleared so the Sky Leader can land. The Black Knight gets his permission to land. Now it's time for a massive aircraft to land. It's time to plan the destruction of the enemy. Now it's time for the critical operation. Oh no, we're under attack. Take cover. Don't forget to subscribe for the continuation of the story.